Do you want to earn $680 a day with a side hustle? Welcome to the era of digital opportunities, where the internet isn't just for scrolling through social media or binge-watching series. It's a place where you can turn your free time into a profitable venture. Today we're talking about a side hustle that's not only exciting but also lucrative, the ChatGPT. In a world where artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future but a present reality, ChatGPT leverages this technology to interact with users in a sophisticated and witty way. It's a tool that's making waves in the digital space, and guess what? It's a fantastic side hustle opportunity for you. Imagine this. With ChatGPT, you're not just earning extra cash, but you're also part of a cutting-edge technology movement. Intrigued? Stick around to find out how you can start earning $680 a day with this side hustle. So you may be wondering, what exactly is ChatGPT? Let's dive right in. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. This essentially means it's a technological whiz kid designed to interact with humans in the most natural and human-like way possible through text. It's like having a conversation with a super smart friend who has an answer to almost everything. But how does it work? Well, ChatGPT is trained on a diverse range of internet text. It uses machine learning to generate responses to the prompts it's given. For instance, if you ask it about the weather, it's not pulling real-time data from a weather service, but rather, it's making an educated guess based on the patterns it's learned during its training. And while it can't predict your future, it sure can help draft an email, write a piece of content, or even assist with customer inquiries. So why is ChatGPT such a fantastic tool for your side hustle? The answer lies in its versatility. This AI can be used in various fields, from customer service to content creation, making it a perfect tool for a diverse range of tasks. Need to answer customer queries? ChatGPT can help. Want to create engaging content for your blog? ChatGPT is there for you. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Furthermore, ChatGPT keeps getting better. OpenAI is continually refining and improving it, meaning it's an investment that grows with you. As the technology evolves, so too will your side hustle, and with it, your potential to earn. And let's not forget, with ChatGPT, you're not just adopting a tool, you're joining a community of innovators, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts, all connected by their use of this pioneering technology. So there you have it. ChatGPT is more than just an AI, it's a versatile, evolving tool and a door to a community of like-minded individuals. It's an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to start a side hustle, offering almost limitless potential for growth and income. Now that you know what ChatGPT is, let's move on to how you can make money from it. Getting started with a ChatGPT side hustle is easier than you might think. Let's break this down into tangible steps, shall we? The first and foremost step is to learn about artificial intelligence and programming. Now don't let these terms intimidate you. There are a plethora of resources available online to help you understand the basics. Websites like Code Academy, Coursera, and Khan Academy offer free courses that can guide you through the basics of programming and AI. Remember, the key here is curiosity and a willingness to learn. Once you've got a grasp on the basics, it's time to acquire a ChatGPT model. OpenAI's GPT-4, for example, is a popular choice. It's a language prediction model that can generate human-like text, making it perfect for our side hustle. To access it, you'll need to apply for an API key from OpenAI. This process may take a few days, so patience is key. Now, with your API key in hand, it's time to set up your ChatGPT model. This involves integrating the API into a chat interface. Don't worry, there are numerous tutorials available online to guide you through this process. Remember, it's all about taking one step at a time. If you hit a roadblock, don't hesitate to seek help from online communities. Sites like Stack Overflow can be a treasure trove of useful information. Once your ChatGPT model is up and running, it's time to start interacting with users. You could set up a website or use a platform like Discord to start a chat server. The goal is to provide a platform where users can interact with your ChatGPT model. Setting up your ChatGPT side hustle can seem like a daunting task. But remember, every journey begins with a single step. It's all about staying committed and taking it one step at a time. And remember, learning is a process. Don't be disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. With your ChatGPT model set up, you're one step closer to your $680 a day side hustle. Now that you have your ChatGPT ready, it's time to turn it into a money-making machine. First, let's talk about a straightforward method of monetization: charging for interactions. Think of your ChatGPT as an online consultant. It's available round the clock to provide expert advice, answer questions, or even tutor in various subjects. People are willing to pay for this convenience and expertise. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, and who wouldn't want that? Next, we move on to selling generated content. This is where your ChatGPT's creativity truly shines. It can generate unique articles, blog posts, social media content, and even scripts for videos. Businesses and individuals alike are constantly on the hunt for fresh and engaging content. Your ChatGPT can fill this gap, providing high-quality, tailor-made content at a fraction of the cost of a human writer. But don't limit yourself to these methods. The beauty of ChatGPT is its versatility. For instance, it can be a game-changer in customer service. Many businesses struggle to provide effective, round-the-clock support. Your ChatGPT can step in here, handling customer inquiries and troubleshooting issues in real time. This can be a valuable service to businesses, saving them time and resources. These are just a few ways to monetize your ChatGPT. The key here is creativity and innovation. The potential applications of ChatGPT are vast and varied. So always be on the lookout for new opportunities. Experiment, iterate, and find what works best for you and your audience. Remember, the goal is not just to make money, but to provide value. If your ChatGPT is helping people, solving their problems, and making their lives easier, they will be more than willing to pay for it. So focus on refining and improving your service, ensuring your ChatGPT is as helpful and effective as possible. By now, your ChatGPT side hustle is up and running, and you're on your way to making $680 a day. And remember, this is just the beginning. With hard work, creativity, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, the sky's the limit. Starting a side hustle is one thing, but maintaining and growing it is another. Just like a well-tended garden, your ChatGPT side hustle needs continuous care and nurturing to flourish. And the great news is, it's not as complex as it may sound. Let's unpack the main strategies that will help you keep your ChatGPT side hustle thriving. Firstly, keep your model updated. ChatGPT, like all machine learning models, thrives on fresh data. Regularly updating your model with new conversation logs, topics, and trends not only improves its performance but also ensures it remains relevant and engaging to your users. Think of it as the intellectual nourishment your ChatGPT needs to keep it sharp and on point. Secondly, embrace continuous learning. The world of AI and machine learning is fast-paced and constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by regularly educating yourself on the latest advancements in the field. This will not only improve your ChatGPT's performance but also give you a competitive edge in the market. Remember, knowledge is power. Now, let's talk about marketing, your ace in the hole. You could have the most sophisticated ChatGPT in the world, but without effective marketing, it will remain a hidden gem. Utilize social media platforms, blog posts, and even word of mouth to get your ChatGPT out there. You could also consider partnerships with businesses that could benefit from your ChatGPT, expanding your reach and increasing your revenue. Finally, feedback is your compass. Regularly engage with your users to understand their needs and preferences. Use their insights to fine-tune your ChatGPT, making it more user-friendly and appealing. Remember, your users are your best critics and your most valuable assets. So, there you have it. Regular updates, continuous learning, effective marketing, and user feedback are your 4 pillars of maintaining and growing your ChatGPT side hustle. With these strategies, your $680 a day side hustle is not just a dream, but a reality you can achieve. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly summarize. We started off by introducing you to the world of ChatGPT side hustles, a unique opportunity that's brimming with potential. We then delved into what ChatGPT is, an advanced AI that can mimic human conversation, a tool that's as innovative as it gets. Next, we walked you through setting up your own ChatGPT side hustle, breaking it down into simple, manageable steps. After that, we explored how to monetize your ChatGPT, discussing various strategies to convert your effort into cash. Finally, we discussed the importance of maintaining and growing your ChatGPT side hustle. We emphasized the need for regular updates, improvements, and promotions to keep your venture thriving and profitable. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is consistency, learning, and creativity. So, start your ChatGPT side hustle today and get closer to earning $680 a day.